Is Amazon FBA safe for beginners? Yes, as long as you understand the basics before jumping in. Amazon FBA is one of the most beginner-friendly e-commerce models because Amazon handles storage, shipping, and customer service. This makes it easier than running your own shop from scratch. However, the risky part is choosing the wrong product. Some products are too competitive, some have low profit margins, and some require large investments. That's why product research is the most important step. Start with small test orders, learn how to read the data, and avoid jumping into saturated markets. The good news is that you don't need special skills to begin. If you follow the process carefully, understand your numbers, and take things step by step, FBA can be a safe and profitable path. So yes, Amazon FBA is safe for beginners, as long as you take the time to learn and avoid rushing into big mistakes. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple online business tips.